Hey guys, I'm warmly welcoming you to my channel. Let's showcase the MG Hector. Let's start up from the features present at the frontal side of the car. So it's shown below. Better suggesting you to pause the video and let's read it out. Now let's move on to the side view of the car. So get some sort of features like LED ORVM, side view angling camera, then request sensors on both of the frontal doors, and the door is really heavy guys. The door was really heavy. Now move on to the interior guys. So let's talk about the frontal doors. The door looks really kind of very well finished and very well built and even very kind of very solid guys. It hosts damn lot features like power window switches, center locking system, and it has two frontal tweeters also of Infinity. All over there were four tweeters, four speaker and one subwoofer. Let's roll on to the driver side. There was damn lot of switches guys, and the quality of the switch is really kind of good. It holds us switches like headlight leveling, cruise control, and damn lot of things. The most interesting part of this car is its speedometer, the MID center. I'm mentioning everything here, and I'm gonna show you after some time also into the interior part. It has two aux and USB ports also. It's also featured with the electric parking brake, the frontal armrest which is unadjustable. The seats were highly comfortable and it's electronically adjustable. The Harrier do not get the electric parking brakes. And this system, the Tesla looking like a vertical shaped system, is damn awesome guys. Literally it's damn awesome. This one is the 6-speed manual transmission model. So this is the auto releasing boot. It holds more than 570 liters of boot space and it's kind of very functional guys. It also bears kind of LED light and some sort of hooks also for hooking some of the things, and there is also quarter panel along with the quarter glass. Now here it's come as a Hector Plus. This is the elongated model. It's 65 more longer than the normal regular Hector, and it's kind of very astonishing color present into the Hector Plus. And this is almost the same Hector, it just have the more length, and its rear shape is kind of sort of different from that one which you are getting into the regular Hector. Although this car do not get the ventilated seat, and I think it's also not present into the Harrier also, but the perforation over the leather seats looks like almost as same as the ventilated ones. So here you come at the rear seat of the car. It has tan finish which is absent into the regular Hector. So here you get the captain seats along with the own individual armrests. So the space is quite good and the rear space is also good. You get the air ventilators at the rear seats also, and here is the rear AC ventilator. It is manually adjustable, not electrically adjustable. Here is the some sort of MG logo. It's not illuminated, which is illuminated into the Gloucester. According to me, the regular Hector looks much better than this Hector Plus. There are some sort of color like white. This is the bronze type of finishing, and this one is the black, which looks the best one according to me. I have seen it from front also and onto the roadside. So here it comes as the diesel engine. The diesel engine boasts mileage of 17 to 18 kmpl onto the highway. It's a 2-liter Fiat sourced diesel engine, and the petrol ones gives you the mileage of 15 to 16 kmpl, which is almost very lesser than the diesel Hector. So according to me, the diesel Hector boasts a 350 Nm of the torque, and it's way much better than that you are getting into the petrol.
How can I
Here
help?
it comes as the interior.
Please fan is big.
Decreasing fan speed.
Open sunroof.
I was literally shocked that a car within the budget of the 17 to 18 or maybe 20 lakhs is working really fantastically. It was really kind of super luxury feel into the car. The only one big miss into the car according to me is the 4-wheel drive. Else there is everything is present here. The car is super luxury, and here is Amit Srivastavji, who is extremely supportive. I am mentioning his contact number, and please MG support him. He's extremely nice guy. So basically I was just testing him that how he's supporting me. So he was really nice guy, and I have tested a lot of things into the car. The car was really fluid. really fluid guys. The interior quality and everything, the fit and finish is extremely awesome, at least way much better than what you are getting to the Tata Harrier. Almost it's better than the Tata Harrier according to me into the price list and into the feature list also. I'm not sure about the Tata Harrier because there are a lot of Tata fanboys due to the its Indian build quality, but it's almost 1000 times better than what you're getting into the Seltos, Kia Seltos and the Creta and into the Duster also. It's very practical car according to me into the price range. You are getting it within the, if you are going to buy its lower variants, you can get it within the 20 between 18 to 19 lakhs or maybe 17 lakhs. So it's extremely practical. So here now he played the song of the Badshah, the worst one of the rap, one of the worst ever rapper. So I was really kind of disturbed. So I have just removed the video. So now let's move on to the main kind of important thing. So there is the electrical adjustment for both the front seats also. So here it comes to the rear seat. The rear seats were manually adjustable and it's extremely spacious. Believe me, it has the armrest along with the cup holders. It can be folded also. It's almost like the 60-40 split. Yeah, it's a 60-40 split. The panoramic sunroof was literally damn huge guys, and it's almost a voice commanded control. So it's kind of unbelievable and literally damn practical car. The rear space into the boot is extremely good. It's of more than 578 liters, so no complaints here. The doors were quite heavy and the build quality is quite good. The rear look of this Hector is way much better according to me from the Hector Plus. And into the Hector Plus you can just open the boot by swapping down your leg within the boot lid. So it's really kind of cool feature for both of the cars. The both of the car can be opened just by the electrical tail split button. So here is the electrical opening into the both of the cars. They both were equipped with the electronic parking assist. So finally I wanna say you that if you want a practical car and quite bigger car, so according to me you should go with the Hector, and I will not suggest you the Hector Plus. The Hector is way much better option than the Hector Plus. The Hector Plus just gets the swapping leg opening boot. You just have to swap up your leg and it is gonna open. According to me, the Hector has better design proportion and the kind of looks very eager and muscular from the rear too. But the Hector Plus has kind of softer side onto its rear only. The only bummer into the both of these cars is that they do not get four-wheel drive system, but that's not kind of very big, but very much big deal, or it can be sorted out with some like upsizing the tire and adding the lift kits after some time of the driving. If you are a real car enthusiast or really enjoy the driving of your car and you want to take the pleasure of the driving, so at last it's a car made for both chauffeur-driven person and enthusiasts. God, the car is extremely capable. It owns the Fiat engine along with the 170 bhp and 140 bhp of the tuning with good sort of mileage of 17 to 18 kmpl. So according to me, you should go with it over the Kia Seltos and Creta. But if you want to compare it with Harrier, then let's check out my other reviews or then directly call me to take the free advices. almost, although I am a medical student, but I can suggest you onto my
Hey
WhatsApp.
guys,
So thanks for watching and please do your
comment
feedback.
down below whether you like the video or not. अगर अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, नहीं अच्छा लगा तो बेशक से डिसलाइक कर सकते हैं। और अगर आपको अपनी कार शोकेस करवानी है जस्ट टेक्स्ट मी ओवर माई व्हाट्सएप 7061747906 या फिर इंस्टाग्राम पे आप कर सकते हैं ओजेस ट्रैक्स। मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक डाल दूंगा, नहीं तो आप ओजेस ट्रैक्स सर्च करें यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम, कहीं पे भी। तो आपको MG से लेके अगर आपको कोई भी इश्यूज़ है तो आप अमित जी को एक बार ज़रूर कॉन्टैक्ट करें, या फिर पूजा का नंबर मेरे पास है, मैं उसको डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा। एंड काफ़ी अच्छी सेल्स वूमेन है वो, और अमित जी भी काफ़ी अच्छे सेल्समैन है। कोई भी किसी भी तरह का इशू हो तो यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ओवर माई व्हाट्सएप। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एट टू माई चैनल ऑटोमोबाइल इनोवेशन। अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना। चैनल ने 8 लाख व्यूज़ क्रॉस कर लिए हैं। और आपके साथ अगर कभी भी कोई मिसहैपनिंग होती है, कंपनी के अगेंस्ट कोई वीडियो बनाना है, कंपनी के फेवर में कोई वीडियो बनाना है, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।